one big issue. So the issue is I got a new tablet and my case, so yeah. But I don't know how I'm gonna wait to the truck driver, so you know, it's okay if you guys think it's okay if my case is here. Thank you guys. I really appreciate y'all. But anyways, I'll see you guys when the trash truck comes, because I feel like it's gonna be the first one out here. And if it comes already, I'll just be early. So I'll see you guys when the trash truck comes. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, or maybe the recycle truck coming first. I don't know. And I'll see you guys when any other garbage truck comes. I'll see you guys later. In the meantime,
a few minutes later.
well, guys, I think the garbage truck. Sure, yeah, I think I hear it. Yup, it is here. Yup. Wait, guys, sorry. My camera's kind of all blurry. If it's okay to you guys, just let me know. Right now we're... Oh, there we go. That's good. It's good in the hood. Let's go see what that truck is. I'm gonna go see what the truck is. Yep, 2427. I already know that. Oh, damn. I love this truck so much. I put the new bodies on the Jeep. I drive it to the... Well, guys, I'll see you when the garbage truck passes in this area. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Many minutes later.
Hey, guys. It's here. Oh, my God. Well, hello, mateys. Yep, I do a trash first. Oh, technical difficulties. Maybe the trash is full. There we go. Maybe this is a good thumbnail. There we go. There we go. It had some issues. Okay, this is actually better. Let's go! Yeah, bro. As I told you guys in the last video, maybe. Wow. Maybe we can get a good angle. Is this a good angle? It probably is, boys. Bro, what's up? There's too much trash. Yeah, the reason why I stopped because it had too much trash and maxed out capacity. Bro just spawned in. I can see the reflection in the garbage truck. And the sun's coming up. Oh, yeah. This truck feels good. Okay, but maybe I had to, you know. I can hear it from all the way over there. It feels like it's coming from the other side. Yeah, it's going slow, so then the trash doesn't fall, you know. Alright, be careful, be careful. There might be some trash. Maybe he's ready from empty out. My bin is not full, so he's good. Huh? Alright, let's go. Yes. And maybe you have to check your bins. Check your bins if they're full or not. Wait. He's just checking. Take your time. I fight him. Bro, I love how the sunrise is hitting the truck. That's maybe a good thumbnail. Yeah, that's a good thumbnail. Wait, I'll show you guys what's a good thumbnail when this. That's a good thumbnail, yes. Alright, look at that bin, Oh, it's good. Yeah, let's go, boys. I'm the Batman. Batman of town, bro. Maybe some YouTubers appreciate me. By the way, I'm posting videos about B-sides, so make sure to go check those videos down below. And also make sure to subscribe, like, or comment if you guys want to. That's okay. If you want to, that could be good. But right now, we're watching this damn garbage truck, bro. Really, dog, bro. Oh yeah, I love the sunset. The rise of the sunset. Hey yo. Oh. Excuse me, y'all. Why is it? You can see the sun right there. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Maybe he's just waiting for trash to empty. Oh, there we go. All right. Alright, well, I'll see you guys when the recycling truck comes by. By the way, I got my testing break because I was doing a ASA assessment. If you guys have done that, I don't know, just tell me in the comments, like, if it's hard or not. By the way, I'll see you guys in the meantime.
Many hours later.
Hey! The garbage truck is now here. What truck is it? Bro! Wait, this is the truck I went on. Really? Yeah, I was on June 3rd. I went on this truck. So I remember, I had a great memory of this truck. Oh, that burp just made me cough, bro. Alright, guys. So Alicia's here with me. And, you know, we're going to be our cameraman. But we had to pause the video right here because we were going to wait for this truck. You know? Yeah. So, guys, we'll be right back after this truck goes on this part of the neighborhood. We'll see you guys in the meantime.
12 seconds later.
Secret footage, ladies and gentlemen. So we know the truck is constantly going left. Alright, alright, guys. I see you guys when the garbage truck comes here. I'll see you guys in the meantime.
Few inches later.
Okay, well, I think the garbage truck is now here. And it turns out it's a yes. Guys! Yeah! It's a female! It's a female! Let's go. Let's go, people. Let's go, my people! Dog! We live in the desert.
Let's act like it.
Ah, that's your pin. I gotta catch up. Gotta catch up. Gotta catch up.
Gotta get the footage. We should do like
All right. Let's hear that boy rumble. Oh yeah. Yes. Let's hear that boy rumble never gets old. That vibe still continues. Oh. Sorry.
one has fallen. The poor trash can's been dead. I wonder how many viewers in it. Hola.
Oh yeah, baby. Brr, brr. Yeah, it's still rumbling, by the way. Marvin, la señora. See?
Literally, I was on the call with my friend, and I was like burping the whole line, and we're both like laughing, and this other person's like, "Ooh, piggy, piggy."
Biggie, biggie. That's funny. By the way, let me get some good footage here. What? Truck sounds like 2107. Biggie. Oh! Three times, bro. Nah, bro. I think I know what time it is. What's your love boy Rumble? Rubbing your engine, boy. Hey, boy. Hey. Come on, you can do it. Oh, yes, dog. Huh?
Hey, it looks like something's happening.
Yes. Yeah. Free merchandise. Check those out at Peoria.com. Oh, it's a coloring sheet. Let's go. But I got free. Make sure to check those out at PeoriaAZ.com. Yes. Yeah. What is this? Brandon, you want one? Oh, you want one. That's for you, bro. That's for you, brother. Brother. Oh yeah. This is why I love this. I love this too much. There. Ron, you can do it, dog. You can do it, dog. Yes. Hope you know. There it goes. We got free stuff.
Free merchandise.
Check this out at PeoriaAZ.com. Alright, guys. This is it. Oh my god. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in the next time.